Okay, so this has been a pain in the butt, but I have, what have I done? I've basically downloaded software that will rip the audio from the video files that are containing it. Then I downloaded Audacity, which is music software, music making software, and editing software. And then what I'm basically going to do, what a YouTube video has told me to do, is to take the audio from this to rip it, to put it to Audacity, to amplify it, then to run it through a filter which takes out the quote-unquote noise, and then enable it to the video in the native file. Isn't my favorite way to do things, but if I can get something like that actually sounds decent for now, I mean, why not?